Hi guys, welcome to Fantastic Foster's Cafe. I'm Nina Foster.
And I'm Rodney Foster.
And today we're making Green Monster Smoothie.
And it's healthy and yummy.
So the first thing that you need is clean pair of hands. And the ingredients are ground flax seeds, oranges, pineapples, 1 cup of water, pears, frozen banana, frozen spinach. So let's get started. Okay guys, now we're done blending it in. Let's have our first taste. That tastes so good.
But it doesn't taste like a monster.
Well, this is my favorite smoothie because it's healthy and delicious and you cannot taste the vegetables. Well, I hope you enjoyed our video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and click that bell button. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!